Hi boys and girls, happy Friday. It's time for our phonics lesson. All right, so remember, you're going to watch me first and then repeat after me, okay? We're going to start out with our rhyming. Here we go. Steal, deal. Fly, cry. Pick, lick. Stay, way. Hug, tug. Nice. All right, now we're going to do our onset fluency. You're going to listen to me say a word and then the first sound it starts with. Then it's your turn. Wash, wa. Came, ka. To, t. Van, v. Gave, g. Nice job. Now you need your choppers because we are going to be blending. You're going to watch me first. I'm going to give you two parts of a word. Then we're going to blend the word together. I'll go first, then you copy. Pan, pan. Nose, nose. Like, like. Mess, mess. Team. Awesome. All right, now we're going to punch it out, all right? I'm going to say a word and then punch out that last sound. Then you're going to repeat. Miss. S. Live. V. 10. Right. T. Big. G. Excellent. All right, we need your choppers again. This time we're going to say the whole word first, then we're going to chop it into two pieces. Here we go. Live. Live. Map. App. Hen. N. Got. Ought. Pick. Ick. Very good. Now we're going to add phonemes, so you need both hands for this one. We're going to start with a part of the word and then add the other part and put it together. Watch me, then it's your turn. Un. Add s. Sun. Un. Add run. Un. Add f. Fun. Un. Add b. Bun. Un. Add none. Very good. Now we're going to delete words. So you're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take a piece of that word away. All right. Our first word is pen. Take away the p. What's left is n. 10. Take away t. What's left is n. Men. Take away What's left is n. When. Take away w. What's left is n. Hen. Take away h. What's left is n. Very good. All right, so today you get to choose your favorite nursery rhyme that we did this week, and you can say that one. So your choices were Three Little Kittens, Humpty Dumpty, Mary, Mary, quite contrary, or Little Bo Peep. So think about which one of those was your favorite and see if you can remember it. If you can't, click on my video from one of the previous days to find it. All right, hope you guys had a great Friday and have an awesome weekend. See you next week.